Don't engage my driver. Back up.
Control cops.
Hey, back up. Back up. You're not involved.
Oh, I saw it.
You can film, but you need to stay away from my driver. Back up. Back up or I'm going to detain you. You're obstructing. Get away from my car stop. Okay. Listen. She deserves privacy. This is not your business.
I'm a member of the press. Go get in your car and do your job.
Okay.
Go feed her.
You're being detained right now. Ma'am, you're free to go.
Oh, you're gonna.
Come over to my car. Come over to my car. Come over to my car right now. Come over. Listen, I am going to put my hands on you.
No, you're not.
Control 3 Robert 1.
I gotta make sure. Hey guys, make sure you guys get my people on the phone.
I have an obstructive male here who's filming me.
So you ended the stop.
Yes. Come over here to my car. Come over here. I need additional.
Bring your supervisor, please.
It's obstructive.
Bring your supervisor, please. Don't
Come over to the car. I am going to grab you. You are going to go to the ground. Listen, you are detained right now.
No, first get your supervisor out here. You're not just
I don't
going
need
to
a
grab
code
me
red,
and throw
but
me on
he's
the ground.
arguing with me. I just need additional
You've
units.
already released him. This is 2014 Rodriguez versus United States.
Come over to my car.
I'll walk right in front of your car.
I am off to work. You're being detained for obstruction. You need to set the phone down on the hood.
I'm a constitutional law scholar. You can't take away
Set
my
the phone down on the hood.
I'm now.
You're being detained. Now you're going to put hands on me.
No,
Come over here.
Why are you grabbing me?
Come over here to the car.
Sure.
You,
Let it
come
roll.
over here.
Let the phone roll.
I don't care about the phone.
Why are you grabbing
Turn
me?
around.
I'm a
Turn
member
around.
of the press.
Turn around.
I'm not doing anything.
You're being detained right now. Turn around.
Get your supervisor.
Stop.
Hold on. Wait.
Stop.
Are your cameras on? Are your cameras on?
Yeah, it's on.
Okay, then
Put
don't
your hands
put me
behind
in-
your back.
No.
You're going in handcuffs.
Why?
Put your hands
Why?
behind your back.
Can we slow down? Get the supervisor. I haven't done anything
No,
wrong.
put your hands
I
behind your
haven't
back.
done anything wrong.
Don't make me use some
If you
tactics
want to
on
detain
you.
me, then detain
I am
me
putting
here.
you in handcuffs.
But I'm not putting my hands behind my
You're
back.
facing the hood.
I'll
Turn
face the
around.
hood.
Policy to put it behind.
Listen.
Be behind your back.
Right now, you're going to get a ticket.
For what?
If you do not put your hands behind your back, you're going to jail. Put your hands behind your back.
Can I turn my
Do it
camera around
now.
to face me?
No.
Can we agree on that?
No, I don't know if you have any weapons.
I don't have any weapons.
Stop reaching.
There's no weapons on me, guys. I'm a
Stop
journalist.
reaching.
I'm a constitutional law scholar. You extended a stop to
Put your hands behind your back or you're going to jail. I'm placing you in handcuffs right now.
For what
Turn
reason?
around.
For officer safety, right?
Turn around for officer safety.
And the camera's still running, guys. The camera's still running. I'm facing your car like you're asking me to do.
I don't care about the camera. Put your hand behind your back. Do not reach for this phone.